Check out this 2024 Acura MDX Type S Advanced Package in Apex Blue Pearl. This is what the key fob looks like. This is powered by a 3-liter single turbocharged V6 engine producing 355 horsepower and a whopping 354 pound-feet of torque. Check out this Pentagon front grille along with the LED headlamps. Fully LED on all trims along with the fog lights, which is exclusive to the advanced package. So yeah, overall I'm a big fan of the exterior design. Also, check out this Type S badging, Brembo brakes. Check out this rear tailgate. Hands-free liftgate. Let's check out the trunk. So the trunk is pretty big. You have about 18.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row and about 45 cubic feet, and with all seats folded down it goes to about 86 cubic feet of cargo space. Check out these dual exit outlets. Fuel doors on the left side. It's about a 20-gallon fuel tank. Check out this open pore wood trim, 3-person memory seating. Also on the passenger, 16-way adjustable seats with heating, ventilation, and massage, parking brake. It also has a head-up display exclusive to the advanced package. Getting inside, I have a lot of legroom, impressive, and a power tilt steering column, 10-speed automatic transmission, head-up display, 3-zone climate control, along with the massage. You can also change the direction of the airflow. Quite an intuitive interior. This is not a touchscreen, unfortunately, but for the 2025 model year, they're going back to a touchscreen, and it will go, and it's about 12.3 inches. This is also a 12.3-inch digital display. You have lane keeping assist along with adaptive cruise control, along with your cruise control function. Your volume controls right over here. You can also scroll between different settings, between your safety support, your driver attention level. Check out this head-up display. We even have a 360 surround camera. Yeah, it's not always easy getting used to this touchpad interface. Some people love it, some people hate it. I think you get used to it. I know people who love it, I know people who dislike it. I also am a big fan of the cabin talk feature. Hello. Yeah, the key fob is fantastic. It's pretty chunky. You have USB ports right over here. Let's check out the center compartment. One USB-A 12-volt outlet. Check out this Orchid interior. You even have an adjustable headrest, which you don't find in Volvo or Tesla. It actually goes up and down. Sunglass holder. You have a panoramic sunroof. And also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is your volume track. Let's check out the audio system. But yeah, it's a pretty good audio system overall. Anyway, let's check out the back seat. .25 speaker EOS studio audio system. Oh my goodness, there's a fly inside the car. Shoot. Anyway, here's the rear sunshade. Open pore wood trim. I wish they would use a softer touch material on the upper dash. You can also fold the seat to get into the third row, which is pretty good. Also push it back. This could also turn into a seat also. You have a power outlet, 2 USB-A ports. Heated rear seats exclusive to the advanced package. Dual zone climate control. He also turned off the rear climate. Man, I hope the fly goes away. I have to roll down all the windows now. We'll just roll down this window. Decent sized glove box. Open pore wood trim. Sun visor does extend. Anyway, it truly is a fantastic interior and it's worth its $76,000 price tag. It just needs better fuel economy. It gets about 21 mpg combined and it only makes 355 horsepower. So the 0 to 60 time is around a mid 5-second range. Again, it's not a sports car, but really the competitors have at least 50 more horsepower than this. So that's the only con, but otherwise it's quite a comfortable vehicle. And it also has drive modes. Let's check out the drive modes. You can switch between sport. It has a sport plus mode. It has also a comfort mode, which will drop the suspension. As you can see, the suspension is indeed dropping. Lastly, let me show you the settings page. Let's go home. Let's go to settings. Hopefully the mosquito doesn't bite me. Vehicle, suspension options, leveling control. Oh, automatically level itself. That's cool. Park type. What does that do? Let's see. Okay, of course, put in auto. Lighting setup. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay, low off. Okay. Anyway, this will take a while. I have not been in this car for at least 2 years. Come on. It should be a theme. Accent light. It should be under theme. Oh, finally. I don't know if you can see the ambient lighting right over here. Anyway, you have like 25 different colors, I believe. So it should show up, but you know, only in the dark. Anyway, let me show you all the colors. Anyway, check out the ZDX right over here. That's actually not related to this vehicle. That's a GM platform vehicle. This is pure Acura. Thank you for watching.